This LEGO set can build 4 completely different ships, and none are on the box. All 4 of these builds come from the LEGO community on Rebrickable. I'll link every designer and instruction pages in the description. Let's see how they actually build and play. First up is the Republic Low Altitude Support Craft by Codianer Bricks. I didn't even know what this ship was at first, but it reads like a smaller Republic gunship, which is a nice way to add some variety to a Republic display or play setup. That said, it's fragile. Really fragile. That's understandable considering it's built using only the parts in the box. It looks great on display, but this is definitely not a build you want to handle much. Swooshability, 2 out of 10. Next up is Ahsoka's Delta 7 Starfighter by Zoltan, with the instructions available for free on Rebrickable. This one is great if you're building up a Delta 7 collection. The shaping is clean, the proportions work really well, and it's surprisingly sturdy. It even has some movable wings. Swooshability, 7 out of 10. The third build is Ahsoka's Black Ace Starfighter by Creation Caravan. And this one immediately stood out. LEGO only ever released one official Black Ace set, and it retired back in 2020. So seeing this shape again feels really special. What really sells this build for me is the wing design. The shape just looks fantastic and captures the Black Ace silhouette perfectly. It's solid, though not as sturdy as the Delta 7, but visually this might be my favorite so far. Swooshability, 6 out of 10. Last but not least is the Millennium Starfighter by Creation Caravan as well. This designer is known for turning all kinds of LEGO sets into Millennium Falcons, and this one is no exception. You can instantly tell what it's supposed to be. There are a ton of clever details here, like using a droid for the cockpit and part of the canopy as the radar dish. It's also incredibly solid, especially for an alternate build. This is easily the most swooshable of the bunch. Swooshability 9 out of 10. Which one would you build? I've got the massive Old Town Ninjago set coming up, and I'll be doing a full build review with a time lapse. If you enjoyed this video, you won't want to miss it.